Hello, yeah, G22. Yeah, so ano yung na-feel niyo after niyo mapanood yung Sunshine?
As a woman in this industry, sobrang mas gusto pa namin mag-shed light sa pinakol na issue ng Sunshine and we want to empower more women.
Yeah. So, if ever offeran kayo ng role na ganito where you have to train for a year like Maris Racal, tatanggapin nyo ba? And if ever, anong sports yun?
Yes, of course.
It's a very good opportunity. Yeah, that's a very good, it's a very good movie. So, no doubt na tatanggapin po namin yung ano. And sport?
Ako golf.
Taekwondo?
Yeah, so last question na lang. Sa Pure Gold, di ba, marami ding artist na nag-perform na kasabay nyo but not exactly on the same stage. So if ever, sino yung gusto nyong makasama sa kanila sa concert?
Oh, well, ang hindi pa talaga namin nakakasama, nakakakulab, Beanie. So if ever we're given a chance, we would like to collaborate.
How about a rapper like Skaz Takli, like Flo
Of course,
G?
Flo G.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Yes.